Hello everyone and welcome. I am excited to guide you through the world of PHP Array Functions. In this video, we will be focusing on sorting functions. Arrays are fundamental data structures in PHP, and understanding how to manipulate them is key to becoming a proficient PHP developer. Let's dive in and discover how we can sort arrays to organize our data effectively. In PHP, array sorting can be categorized into two main types: value sorting and key sorting. Value sorting involves rearranging the array elements based on their values. This means the actual data stored in each element determines the new order. On the other hand, key sorting focuses on sorting the array based on the keys associated with each element. Understanding the difference between these two types is crucial for choosing the right sorting function for your specific needs. Let's explore each of these in more detail. Let's start with the sort function. The sort function is used to sort an array in ascending order based on its values. Keep in mind that this function modifies the original array directly and reassigns new numeric keys to the array elements. Here is an example. We have an array named numbers, containing the values 64, 34, 25, 12, and 22. After applying the sort function, the array is reordered to 12, 22, 25, 34, and 64, arranged from the smallest to the largest number. Now let's explore the rsort function. This function does the opposite of the sort function. It sorts an array in descending order based on its values. Just like sort, it also modifies the original array and reassigns the keys. Here's an example, again using the numbers array containing 64, 34, 25, 12, and 22. When we apply the rsort function, the array is sorted in reverse order, resulting in 64, 34, 25, 22, and 12. Next, we will discuss the asort function. The asort function sorts an array in ascending order, similar to the sort function. However, the key difference is that asort maintains the key value associations after the sorting. This is particularly useful when you want to preserve the original keys while sorting the array by values. Looking at the example, we have a fruits array with the keys B, A, and C corresponding to banana, apple, and cherry respectively. After using the asort function, the array is sorted alphabetically by value, resulting in A for apple, B for banana, and C for cherry. Notice that the keys are preserved and still point to their original values. Now let's take a look at the rsort function. The rsort function is similar to the asort function, but it sorts the array in descending order based on values while maintaining the key value associations. This means the order of the elements is reversed, but the original keys are kept intact. In this example, we have the same fruits array as before. After applying the rsort function, the array is sorted in reverse alphabetical order by value, giving us C for cherry, B for banana, and A for apple, while preserving the original keys. Now let's move on to the ksort function. The ksort function sorts an array by its keys in ascending order. This function is useful when you need to arrange the array elements based on their keys, rather than their values. Taking a look at the example, we have a data array with the keys 3, 1, and 2 assigned to the values third, first, and second respectively. After applying the ksort function, the array is sorted by keys in ascending order, resulting in the order 1 for first, 2 for second, and 3 for third. Finally, we have the krsort function. The krsort function sorts an array by its keys in descending order. This is the opposite of the ksort function, and is useful when you want to arrange the array elements in reverse order based on their keys. Here we have the same data array with keys 1, 3, and 2. After using the krsort function, the array is sorted by keys in descending order, resulting in the order 3 for third, 2 for second, and 1 for first. This function completes our overview of the key sorting functions in PHP. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.